Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is our last one in this card kit sketches that we've been doing for the month of April. I did get it from my little scrapbook store. This is the main, I guess, the packaging that it comes in. So you get 8 cards. And when I'm done putting together the final card, I will show you guys all the cards and what we have left over. But for right now, we're going to start putting our card together. This final card is also on the horizontal. And I'm just doing like we did before, making sure to sand around the edges. So all those little bits are sanded down and the paper is nice and smooth. And we're going to start laying down our different layers. Now on this card, which I didn't do on the one from last week, I am going to pull out some of my peel-offs. I'm going to get the one that's, I think they call it the pinstripe set. This is the one where they're all the same size. And I'm just going to put it right down the middle where the 2 pages meet up. So that way it makes it a nice clean edge. And then we're going to start layering everything down. So we have our tag, the light bulb, the shine on. And I was just kind of laying it out, figuring exactly how everything was going to lay down. But before I start, I'm going to go ahead and attach this. And we're going to use the wet glue like I always do in case we need to reposition. Okay. And that's the only reason why I do it. The tape runner, yeah, it would hold everything down. But sometimes it's down too well. And then if you need it to separate it and lay it down correctly again, you can wind up ruining the card. So same thing with the tag, a little bit of tape, some glue. We're going to lay it on the angle. It's kind of angled on the layout that they have already done up for us. We could have used foam on the light bulb, but I knew I wanted to put it on the sentiment, which is shine on. All right. And we're going to give that a little bit of an angle. A little bit of glue. There we go. And then we're going to do the hearts real quick. Now on this one, there are 3 hearts, and I'm just gluing them straight down, starting with the yellow, then the pink with the blue up at the top. It's the smaller of the 2, of the 3 actually. And then I was just cleaning up some of the wet glue. Now this particular glue does dry clear, so even if some does come out on the sides, it's okay. It will dry back and you won't be able to tell. Now to finish this one off, I'm going to grab the PINKFRESH gems. And I want to say these are in they're in the darker pink. So I'm just grabbing 3 of them. I grabbed a large one. You can see I made a big old mess. I spilled a bunch right there when I should have just grabbed my little tray. Remember the tray we've been working with, and put them down in the tray. But nope, I had to just pour them in my hand and make a mess. But I just laid out 3. One in the exclamation mark, one in the tag, and then one kind of in between where the hearts are. There we go. And then that one is done. And then I'm going to bring back the other cards. These are all the ones that we did over the last few weeks. So 3 that are horizontal, and then the other 5 are all, I guess you would consider them vertical. They open side. And then that's the packaging. And then what's really cool with these, I'm sorry, I had just done those, so I just wanted to make sure they were drying. But with these, right, there's some extra pieces that were left over. So it's like some labels, a couple of hearts. I'm just laying everything out here so you can see them all. There was a few sentiments, just little bits, you know. And I do have, I want to say the collection that I think this kind of goes with. So some of these I am going to just save to use with that, but you can put some of these inside the cards. So like the one with the ice cream cone, I put the little ice cream cone on the inside, and then you could write a message. This one I kind of like that with the paper clip, and you know, you could use that or put it in the center, which I think that's what I wound up doing. I put it in the center, and then that's it. And then, you know, you could do it, you know, each one of these individual pieces, the hey, the hello, some of the hearts, in all the different cards. And then you can group them and give to someone as, you know, a card kit. These are great, just everyday, hey, I was thinking about you cards, you know? So I think these are fun. I have all the links down below. All the videos have the same links, but it'll get you to the card kit and to the My Little Scrapbook Store website and everything on the two groups on Facebook. So definitely check it out. I thank you guys so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see what happens with our May challenge or sketch series. We'll see where we go with that one. And you guys have a great weekend.